Today, the F30 335 gets new carbon fiber side skirt extensions and custom plates. Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Little confession here, I have had side skirt extensions on this back shelf for about a year. So today we're finally going to install them, and just in time, my custom plates came in that we've been waiting 8 weeks for. So super excited. Let's show you how to install these, and then we'll throw my new plates on. Now, side skirt extensions are a job for pretty much anyone, as it is super simple. Here's how you do it. The first part of the process is take some 70% isopropyl alcohol, and you want to clean the underneath of your side skirt. So you look at all that. The next thing you want to do is take some thin 3M molding tape, and we are going to just put one nice little strip down the length of the side skirt extension. Next, what you want to do is you want to do a little test fit. Now, with our side skirt extensions, there's going to be this little lip right there, and basically what's going to happen is the back of your side skirt is going to sit right in that lip. So you just reach back, make sure that you're correctly positioned, and then we can see that it's going to sit right there, just like that. Now what you can do, start to peel back your tape. And again, make sure that everything is lined up. Get this good. Okay, and then what you can start to do, just you go by feel, slide this along, and then if you take the tape off as you're going, this is easily a one-person job. Okay. What we can do is just continue to pull this off, make sure everything is lined up, and at this point everything is securely taped. Now what we're going to do is we are going to use some self-tapping screws. We're going to put 1 or 2 at the front, 1 or 2 at the back, and then every 6 to 8 inches just to make sure this goes nowhere. Little tip when you're doing this, you don't want to have it too far out, because what can happen is you can see it in this little gap. You'll see carbon, you'll see screw, and you'll also see your side skirt. So always make sure to do it towards the back, but make sure that you have plenty of room so that it gets a good bite and doesn't crack anything. So at this time, let's install our self-tapping screws. And in just about 5 minutes, check out how cool that looks. So about 8 weeks ago, we were talking to the DMV about custom plates, which I've wanted to do for quite some time, but it just never really hit the priority list with everything going on. So today is the day. But not only are we unveiling our new custom plates for the F30, check these out. These are our new dry carbon license plate frames. We have them available in matte, and this car is getting this one in gloss. All right, before we unveil, let us know down in the comments what you think it says. We'll wait 5, 4, 3, 2, come on, you should have got that. If you didn't get it, just delete your comment. But check it out, it looks amazing with this new carbon license plate frame. Look how cool that is. That looks stinking awesome. Let's throw the back plate on. as you just saw, it is extremely quick and easy to add some more styling to your side skirt with these carbon fiber side skirt extensions. If you're interested in these, or you'd like a license plate bracket for your BMW, be sure to see the links down in the description. Once again, my name is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like today's video, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at kiesmotorsports.com. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.